Developing a new IC is one of the most complicated tasks in the world. Due to intense competition, meeting schedule has never been more important. There's a lot at stake. Good schedule predictability means minimal schedule slip, and when coupled with competitive cycle time, is the key to market leadership. The fact is that most schedules today are unreliable. That's because chip development projects have become so complex that intuition and past experience alone are no longer a sufficient basis for creating project plans. People need data to defend what their instinct tells them. What's needed is a suite of project planning, risk analysis, and performance benchmarking tools that can let you do fact-based planning. That is, create plans based on facts, not just intuition. The first and most important part of fact-based planning is an accurate estimate of the target design's complexity. It needs to be quantitative and precise. There are two key components that allow Numetrics to do what no one else can do in the industry. First is the Numetrics patented complexity calculation engine, and it's the only product of its kind. We need this to know how difficult will this design be. The complexity calculation engine calculates complexity in terms of project effort. It calculates the effort that the average design team in the industry would spend developing the chip, from concept to volume production. In other words, complexity is industry norm effort. The capabilities of the engine are truly unique and made possible only by Numetrics' industry database, our second key factor. The Numetrics complexity calculation engine is calibrated with data compiled from over 1,200 production-released IC designs from over 35 semiconductor companies. You will recognize these names. These represent nearly 25 different application markets. So how can Numetrics help you to improve your business performance? Our tools and data enable engineering managers to develop reliable project plans and achieve best-in-class schedule predictability and the ability to do this much earlier in the project cycle while design decisions are still fluid, and do it based on data, not just intuition. Surrounding the complexity calculation engine and database is Numetrics' project plan synthesis engine, which estimates both schedule and staffing requirements based on the complexity of the design and the resources allocated to the project. It enables you to do what no other product in the industry can: generate reliable schedules and staffing plans. Managers can quickly get estimates of project duration and key milestone dates, such as first tape-out, as well as the staffing needed to achieve target schedule requirements. The synthesis engine also enables what-if simulations of the project plan by varying staffing levels, scheduling constraints, or the design's feature set. This allows for rapid trade-offs between chip complexity, staffing, and schedule. This top-down approach to project planning fits well with traditional bottom-up project management tools, which are needed for documenting project plan details. The final component of the Numetrics solution is its powerful risk analyzer, which benchmarks the underlying assumptions of your bottom-up project plan against industry norms and your past projects. The risk analyzer indicates the likelihood of finishing the project on time given the design's complexity and allocated staffing. An overly aggressive plan, one for example that assumes productivity 40% above industry norms or past performance, is a risky plan. Like top-down planning, top-down risk analysis complements traditional bottom-up risk assessment, whereby specific risks are identified and action plans developed to mitigate them. Today, 6 of the top 10 semiconductor companies in the world use Numetrics. Shouldn't you?